So I just got it delivered. And here is majority of the damage. So looks like it's pretty similar to how it was last time. There's the wheel needs to be replaced, probably the shock and the hub, and obviously the fender. This I can probably salvage. The rest of the stuff, it's really in perfect condition. I don't see anything else wrong with it. The wheel, this side is good. Yeah, pretty good amount of tread on there as well. So from the looks of it, I should be able to salvage the front bumper. Need a headlight, a rim, tires, the hub, the strut, and a new fender, and we should be golden. Alright, let's go ahead and I'll get to taking the wheel off of there. Once that's off, then we can see, you know, what kind of other damage is in the back that I can't see. The calipers, they just scratched up, so I might get them powder coated again. Other than that, looks good. Alright, so we got some new parts in today. We got the wheel spindle in. We got both of the control arms in. And I already got the tire mounted on the wheel. So that's already good to go. So for now, mostly all of the parts should be ready. And all we gotta do is just put them on. And hopefully by the end of the day, we'll have it standing in all four wheels. We'll see how it goes. I'll set you guys up on a little time loop. And you guys can see what's gonna happen. Alright, so here we are. Looks like the shock has been a little too damaged, and every time I try to put the spindle on, I have to pretty much hammer this thing on, which shouldn't be happening because the last one I did, it kind of just slid in. So what I'll end up doing is I'll take it off of here, I'll put the spindle on with all the other connections, with all the control arms and whatnot, and I'm gonna go ahead to the shop and see if I can find this in stock. Last time they didn't have it, so hopefully they do still have it now. And if I can find it, we'll put it on today. If not, we'll put it on some other day.